Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make these stars out of twine and glue. It's a very simple and inexpensive process, and you get to make some custom ornaments for your Christmas tree. So the first thing I did was actually go onto Google Images and print off a picture of a star, actually a few pictures as you can see here, and basically just tape them onto this piece of plywood, which allowed me to have a template to tack these nails into place, and it gave me something to wrap the string around to give me the shape of the star. Now, if you don't have a printer, I guess you could probably trace a star from your computer screen or something like that. Obviously, don't damage your computer screen in any way, but I guess you could just draw a star too if you're really good at drawing. Anyways, once you've got your template set up, you need to cut a piece of string that is long enough to wrap around the star at least 3 times. That seems to provide enough strength for the star. Once you know how long, you can cut all the strands and then soak them in your mixture of glue and water. So this is just wood glue or crafting glue. Either one will work. I do find that the white glue is better than like the yellow glue. And I just mixed a little bit of water in there just to make it a little bit more runny. Otherwise, it's just kind of too thick to soak deeply into the twine. And then I stick my twine into the glue and make sure it's really nice and saturated. And then I wrap it around my nails 3 times. I then like to make sure that the sections at the points of the star are kind of squeezed together, and that'll ensure that when the glue cures, it'll be holding all those strands together and make it much stronger. So once that's done, you're going to need to let that dry for at least 24 hours. The longer the better. Sometimes what happens is that the outside of the twine will dry a little quicker than the inside of it. So you really got to make sure that it's cured enough. Otherwise, it won't be very stiff. Sometimes I actually do have to wait like 2 days. But you'll know it's done when you take one out and tap it on a table. It is super stiff and actually quite strong. Hopefully you can hear that. Nice and solid. Now, some of you might remember I actually did make a video on how to make these last year, but I was sick as a dog and the recording just did not go very well. So I'm kind of redoing everything right now with the voiceover. So I hope you don't mind that. I wanted to get this done before Christmas so you guys can give it a try for yourselves. Now, once you get these frames done, actually, again, originally, I stopped right here in a part 1 video, but I kept kind of going back to it, and I was thinking like, man, this just looks too plain. So I ended up kind of doing some Googling, a little bit of research, and then I found out that people take it one step further by adding some extra twine, just kind of randomly wrapped around. So that's all you do at this point. You just take more twine, wrap it around completely randomly. You don't need to soak this in glue this time, and I just tack it in place with some hot glue, and that's pretty much it. It looks like 10 times better with this extra twine wrapped around it. I actually really like the look of these, and they work out great for Christmas ornaments. I haven't tried a larger star, but I suppose you could make these any size you'd like. And yeah, either way, I think they would look great. All right, well, I guess that's it, guys. If you liked the video, please subscribe, hit that like button. And if you do end up trying it out, let me know how it worked out in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.